Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode bi-weekly contest. First question, maximum value of a string in an array. So let us first see this question and constraint and then finally the coding part for the same. So here, um, the value of an alphanumeric string can be defined as numeric representation of the string in base 10 if it comprises only of the digit and length of the string otherwise. So we are given with the array strs of alphanumeric string. We are required to return the maximum value of any string in the strs. So basically here we are given with a string is this particular which is being given to us, right? So here the thing would be that either there are strings which are completely digits only, right? The way here this is being given to us means all zeros are given, or it could be a scenario where it is completely alphanumeric, the way here it is. There could be some scenario like this also where all alphabets are only given, the way here this pop was given to us. So these are the three scenarios which are being given to us in this particular question. And now comes the part that how we are required to solve these scenarios. So the thing is that if all digits are being given to us, right? So here all digits are being given. So here it would be solved as per the thing which we do here is like means a representation of string in base 10. So like that manner we are required to solve means we will be simply adding them up means say if we take an example for this means say 39 is there, right? So we are required to simply add them up and directly the answer would be 39 means adding up each digit as per the base 10 rule. So we will be returning 39 and here all zeros are there, so 0 would be returned. So this is how we are required to do if all digits are there. But if in case there is some alphanumeric or just alpha is there, then in that context we are required to return the size of that particular string which is being given to us. So this is how we will be doing this particular question. So as per the constraint that length of a particular string is 100 only and length of each means these things which are being given to us it is 9 only. So the constraint is pretty much low, so we can easily go ahead with the brute force solution for the same. So let us now go ahead with the coding part for the same. Here I have taken some length and result and this I can eradicate. Earlier I was using because I was missing one edge case, that's why. So here we are going ahead with n into m solution. And now first we are checking that if that particular character which is there, if it is a what we say, if it is a alphabet, then we will be directly going ahead by checking the length of that particular string, and then straightforward we will be checking that out of this particular length or some or previous result which was stored, whatever would be maximum that we will be storing in this result. And here only we will be making some length as 0 and break coming out of this particular for loop. And why we are coming out of this particular for loop? Because there is one there could be this case as well, uh, like this BS9. So here, although it was alphabet in the starting, but at the end it was digit, right? So for digit part, it can easily go into this particular while loop as well. So because of this thing only, we are putting a break here so that it could come out of this whole for loop. else in the scenario when it is all digits, right? So at that moment we will be checking, we will be going ahead with this, what we say that, base 10 calculation we will be going ahead. But if by chance, if we encounter any alphabet, means the way it was here, 85 then B was alphabet, right? So in that particular criteria, we will be directly making our sum equal to 0. And at that moment, we will be populating our length variable and then doing this particular, that whatever maximum out of all of these would be there, we will be giving that particular value to result and then making sum and length as 0, so that for the next word which we will be checking, it could start as fresh. So now at the end, means after handling all these cases, basically there were two edge cases in the same, when at the starting there is digit and then all alphabets are there, or at the starting there is alphabet and then all digits were there. So both of these I've handled by this trade case and this particular scenario. And then at the end, we are returning result. And then at the end, it got accepted. So this was here. Now comes the part for the time complexity for the same. So here we can check that m into n loop is there, and then while loop is also there, which while loop is directly contributing to this thing only. So overall, the time complexity here is order of m into n. And the space complexity here, we are not using any auxiliary space, so it's order of 1. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could directly comment that down. And as you're already solving these LeetCode bi-weekly and weekly challenges, you could also check for the Newton School coding contest, about which you can figure out about the uh, all details in the description below. You can click that link and get all the details and also try out that challenge, for which if you are in the top performer, then surely you will be getting some exciting prizes. For the same, you can directly head over to the link and check all the details. So this was all for this particular question. So yeah, thank you.